Want to automate your savings, use passive income tools, and find the best savings apps to grow money even while you're asleep? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 7 money apps that make you rich while you sleep. Tools that handle your budgeting, investing, and savings game on autopilot so you don't have to worry. Stick around, because whether you're just starting or you're aiming for early retirement, you're going to walk away with a system you can set and forget. Let's go! Why automate your savings? First, automation turns willpower into process. Studies show many micro-savings apps let you round up purchases or auto-move money, which means fewer decisions, fewer excuses. Here's the fact. If you move money before you see it, you're more likely to save it. And if you invest it or grow it, you're making money while you sleep. Now, let's talk about round-up micro-savings apps. Just think of apps that link to your bank card and, well, every purchase you make, they'll round up to the nearest dollar and move the extra into your savings. That's power in stealth mode, honestly. For example, Capital lets you set up rules like, if I buy coffee, move 50 cents to savings. Start small. That's how you build the habit, bit by bit. Here's another one. Auto deposit and automatic transfers. These apps will transfer money automatically on payday or on a set schedule. You don't have to think about it. You just sit back and watch your savings build up. For example, apps like Chime provide automatic savings tools and transfer with ease. Set it once, let it run. Sleep soundly. App number 3. Robo-investing and micro-investments. Saving is good. Investing is great. These apps automatically invest small amounts for you. Studies say many micro-savings apps, such as Acorn, Stash and others, are designed not just to save money, but to invest the money you're saving. So your money doesn't sit idle. It works. App number 4. Passive income and dividend investing apps. So let's move from just saving to actually earning passive income. These are apps that help you invest in dividend-paying assets or even real estate shares, meaning, well, you can earn while you sleep. For example, the finance site lists apps like M1 Finance and Fundrise, which offer you access to passive income investing. The key here is to pick one, start small, and then just let compounding do its thing over time. App number 5. Automatic budgeting and monitoring apps. Another piece of the puzzle. You really need to know where your money goes. Budgeting apps track your spending, suggest savings, or even redirect money before you overspend. You know, research shows that apps that automatically monitor your accounts can really help you avoid those pesky overdraft fees, curb unplanned spending, and, in the long run, improve your net worth. If you pair a budgeting monitor with automated savings, well, you're double stacking your financial advantages. Now, here's a fun one. You shop, you earn, and you save. There are apps out there that give you cashback or rewards, and then cleverly funnel those rewards straight into your savings or investment bucket. Blogs often list apps like Dosh and Rakuten as ways to earn a bit extra while doing your everyday spending. It's still automation, just happening through your shopping rather than your usual transfers. App number 7. smart goals plus rule-based savings apps. Last but not least, these are apps where you set the rules, so savings happen based on your behavior. For example, every time I eat out, move $5 to savings. Or when I hit 10,000 steps, move $2 to investment. Capital uses this rule-based concept. These personalized rules, well, they transform your habits into savings without you even having to think about it. Quick comparison table. First up, round up savings apps. These automatically round up your everyday purchases and save the spare change. They're perfect for beginners who spend often and want an easy way to start building savings without even noticing. Next up, let's talk about auto deposit apps. These work by scheduling regular transfers into your savings account. Sort of like a personal autopilot for your finances, really. They're best suited for people with consistent income who want steady, hands-off progress. Then we have robo-investing apps. These take your spare cash and automatically invest it for you, giving you market exposure and, well, growth potential. They're ideal for anyone looking for long-term growth without the hassle of manually picking investments. Now, moving on to more advanced tools. Dividend or passive income investing apps. These invest your money into income-producing assets, paying you dividends on a regular basis. They're great for users who are ready to level up from saving to, true wealth building. Budgeting and monitoring apps, well, they track your spending and even redirect extra cash toward your savings goals. They're just perfect for people who like a bit of control and want to avoid overspending. Cashback to savings apps, let you earn cashback from shopping and the rewards automatically go straight into your savings. These are a real win for frequent shoppers who want to make their spending work for them. Finally, we've got rule-based smart savings apps. You can create custom rules. For example, save $10 every Friday or save $5 every time you order coffee. They're perfect for habit builders and creative savers who want to gamify their savings journey. So, how do you get started today? Well, here's your action plan. First, pick one app from the list above. Then, set it up in under 10 minutes. Just link your bank and choose your rule or schedule. Make sure it's automatic. Don't leave it manual. Next, let it run for 30 days. After that, check your progress and adjust if needed. Once the habit is built, layer in a second app. For example, auto deposit plus robo-investing. This way, you're building your money works while you sleep system. Why this matters? Because, my friend, the earlier you start, the longer time you have. Compound interest, automated savings, passive investing, these aren't magic. They're math plus consistency. Honestly, the more you automate today, the less you worry tomorrow. According to one source, you can build long-term wealth more by setting it up and forgetting it rather than trying to time the market. That means freedom. That means you spend less mental energy on money and focus more on life. Things to watch. Caution. All right, real talk. Automation doesn't mean no oversight forever. A few things to monitor. Fees, even small fees, eat into returns. Risk. Investing involves risk. Make sure you're comfortable with where your money goes. Liquidity. Some passive income apps tie up your money for a period. Know the terms. Habits. Automation works only if you don't disable it. Make it a habit. Stay smart. Stay aware. If this video helped you see how to automate your savings and use passive income tools with the best savings apps, please hit that like button. If you're new around here, tap subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss future videos on building wealth smartly. Drop a comment below. Which app are you going to try first? And share this video with a friend who wants to make money while they sleep. Thanks for watching.